Hello and welcome back again, my friend. Today's P500 index fund analyzes the Nasdaq 100 analysis, the DXY or US dollar analysis, plus the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as you see here, that the SP500 was done today. After yesterday, when we break in here, the 200 moving average, today candle, it came and closing below here, as you see it, that one here. So that one is a very bad sign. That's when the SP500 is going to fall down more. Because we are here in the daily, so if that candle here is closing like that below the 200 moving average here, indicating that the market is going to fall down. And that's what also we been talking about. If you remember what I told you we got here a very clear head and shoulder here in the daily, and even the neckline over here, look at it, it's getting broke. Now here the market is go back to test it again here. So here in the daily it's looking bad here. It's going to the 4 hours to analyze more. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, if you remember, also used to be here. Then it's breaking here. Then I told you for the people they haven't entered, they can enter because of here. It's breaking here, that smaller wage here, as you see it. Now it's going back to test it here. Now either from here is going to go back, touch here the 200 moving average here, which is here, or another scenario from here is going to fall down again. So for people they haven't entered from that candle here, because if you enter from that candle here, stop loss of you, it needs to be down here, just here. Now for people they haven't entered, you came here and you do it like that, as you see it here, a trend line here, and you wait, and if it's getting broke here, you can enter again to the 200 moving average. That's it, because look at it here in the 4 hours, look what it's giving you here. You're looking here, low, high, another low, lower than the previous one, which is here, as you see it here. Now I think it's going to make another correction, then after that it's going to give us another low down in that one. So here in 4 hours it's look more downside, and here we used to have here that channel like that. If you remember, people they been with us, that's what else we said here. We said we got here a down channel like that, hasn't touched the top of it. Maybe it's going to go back to touch it here, but today is Friday and tomorrow Saturday. I think till Sunday the opening, maybe we're going to go up to touch it here, but us in the daily for long term, us we still in a downtrend. Smaller time frames, yes, you can benefiting from those small moves up like that. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, I show you that one in the last videos. I told you we got here a divergence like that and like that. As you see that place here, look at it here, compared to that one here and that one here. It break for us the first price action here. Used to have it here. It's getting broke. Now for people they haven't entered, we got another price action, which is here, that trend line here, as you see that started from here and here. Even that one you need to be focused about it. If it's breaking here, you can enter long again, but just tell the 200 moving average as you see it here. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the SP500 doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, you got picture more clear than 4 hours. Here in 30 minutes, look what you got. You got here that uptrend like that, as you see it. If that one came and close below here, you enter short. Remember that if it came and closed below that level here, you enter short. Not for the short, for the long, same thing as I show you in the 4 hours. You came here to that last 2 peaks like that, and you wait in that one to come and to break above here in that level. That means the SP500 is going to go more higher than that. Everything is too clear, but here in 30 minutes we got a price action very clear here, as you see it. We got here a head and shoulder very clear here, and the neckline it used to be here. As you see it, it's getting broke here, but it's the same how it's getting broke for us in 4 hours. And even here, as you see it, with how to make that bigger one here, you got a head and shoulder here, as you see it. Even that one, all of you focused about it, when it's getting broke here, it's indicating the market is going to go more higher. Now at that level where we are here, the only price actions they are there is that two, as I show you, the trend line here, that one, and that one here, as you see it. So you need to be focused where is the break is going to happen. If we're breaking up here, you enter long. If we're breaking down here, you enter short. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator here in 30 minutes, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's entering here to the oversold area. It's not yet, but it started entering to the oversold area level. You are in a very stronger trend line like that, and even a supply and demand zone like that, as you see it. Let me draw it again. Even in a supply and demand zone, like that. As you see it from here, now you are in it again. Should you enter long? Here, at that place where we are. Not yet, my friend. There is no price action here telling you need to enter. Is it that trend line, which is here? As you see it, it's need that one to come to break above here for us to enter long. Everything is too clear here in the SP 500. Now let's go in to see what the Nasdaq 100 doing today. So let's go in the air. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100. Over here, the last video watch me I told you we got here a very clear double bottom here. It's getting broke here in that level here as you see it. It's showing it's break it up, but there is no power to break here. But that normal. Today is Friday and today the weekend. So it need that one to break above here to know us going to stay more up. But here in the 4 hours, it's still looking bullish. There is no better signal here. And here you can come and you're connecting those dots like that as you see them, and you're waiting if it's going to come and to break lower here. Maybe you can enter short. Until now there is nothing here that for the people they haven't entered, they can even come and do it like that as you see it. We're connecting that dot here with that dot here, and we're waiting if we're breaking above here in that level here, you can enter long. Remember that. You break in here, you can enter long again. Everything is too clear, guys. Here, it's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, we are here at the overbought area. So technically, should you enter short? No, my friend, there is nothing to enter short. Yes, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, but we don't got any price action here in that level. It's telling us also we need to enter short. We need to wait in more where is the market is going. And in the daily, also we are in an uptrend. That's what me have been telling you. Now, for you to enter short, you need to come here. Look with me here. That trend line also we have here. If that one came and break a lower here in that level here, you can enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry short. You need to wait in more till you get a clear picture. But me, I'm thinking here in the Nasdaq 100, also still in an uptrend. So you just came to the one here and the one here, and you're connecting them by a line, and you're waiting the break to happen here. Everything is too clear. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what the Nasdaq 100 doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here the picture is more clear than the 4 hours. It's looking also we are in an uptrend as you see it. If you came like that and you connecting those dots like that, you got here a uptrend here. As you see it, very clear uptrend being touched here 4 times now as you see it. So that 4 times here. Now either from here is going to go more higher and to break for us that last high which is here, or another scenario from here is going to fall down and to break for us lower, and also we're going to enter short. Now what should you do here in that level where we are? Look with me. You came to that peak, that one here and that one here, and you're connecting them by a line like that or a trend line like that, and you wait in the break. If it's breaking above here, you enter long. If it's breaking lower here, you enter short. You saw me how I draw them. Look at it, what it's giving you there. It give you a wage. So you're drawing that wage and you waiting the break where it's going to happen here in 30 minutes. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, will be in here at the overbought area for some time here. So now technically also we need to look in for short for you to enter short. I'll show you what we got here. We got that uptrend here. You wait it. If it's getting broke here down, you enter short. That's it. If it's getting broke. If it's not, for the longer, just show you. You came, you connecting that one with that one, and you get that wage, and you waiting the break to happen up. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see what the DXY or US dollar doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the DXY or US dollar in the 4 hours. Here, look at it. First, we are here in the 200 moving average here. It touched it the first time, then it went up, but there is no power to bring it back to where it used to be where it used to be before here. Now, it's showing it falling down again. So look at it. I'm just explaining what I'm trying to say to you. Look, here it fall down. It gave us here a low. We go back up. He couldn't go back where it used to be before here. He go back just to here. Now it's falling down again. Now let's wait if it's going to give us another low, then the previous one it give us here another low, and me I'm thinking it's going to fall down. Why? Look here, you got here a very clear head and shoulder here. The neckline of that one is it down here. Even that one you need to be focused about it. If it came and break it lower here, you can enter short. Everything is too clear, guys, here. And another thing here, look with me here. That's what us we saying before. We said here we got an up channel like that. Even that up channel you need to be focused about it. If it came and breaking down here, you can enter short before even it's breaking the neckline here. That's what us we been saying before. We said here we got an up channel like that. That's what us we said. Yes or no? Now if it came and break a lower here in that level, you can enter short. Remember those things what I'm telling you. Our indicator, let's see what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it touching here the oversold area, but also we are coming from a big divergence here. I showed it to you even that one before, and that one is indicating the market is going to fall down. So the enter short now, you wait in here. Look with me what I'm going to do. That trend line here, you waited to get broke here. If it's getting broke, you enter short. Everything is still clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the DXY or US dollar doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, it's breaking now. Look here. Used to have here a triangle like that or a symmetric triangle here. Over here, it's just breaking down. You can enter short here in 30 minutes. Look at it. Here in 30 minutes, it's showing it's falling down. I think picture is very, 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 very clear. Another scenario. If it came and breaking above here, let's say now it's going to come and to break above here, you can enter long because that trading is just a probability game. It's not everything working 100%. So here, look at it. Now the trend line we started from here and here. Over here is getting broke. Remember those things what I'm telling you. Let's see our indicator what it's saying here. Our indicator, as you see it, it's enter here to the oversold area. Should you enter long? No, my friend, there is no entry long. Look at it before. Just look at that example here. It's enter to the oversold area from here, as you see it, till where? Till down here. That's why I told you those ones, they are just oscillators, also using them just as filter, not to base the trade of you at them. Over here, now it just breaking here in 30 minutes and it's showing it's going to fall down more than that. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes. Here, last video what I told you. People, they watching my last video in 30 minutes where we are analyze for the scalping and day trading. I told you like that. And we said here down. So which one of them? I told you if it's breaking above here, you enter long. And I told you if it's breaking down here, you enter short. Where did it break? It's break above here in that level. So when it's breaking here, we'll have you enter long till where now? Everything is too clear, guys. Now here in that level where we are, what should we do? Look with me what I'm going to do. We came down here to that one here and we doing here like that, a trend line like that. If that one came and breaking lower here, you enter short. Remember that. If that one came and breaking here down, you enter short. For the long, you came to that one here and that one here and you're connecting them by a line like that. Very simple and easy. Look at it like that and you came down here like that. You got here a very clear way. If that one came and breaking above here and I think it's going to break because the DXY it's looking is going to fall down more. If that one came and breaking here, you enter long. If that one came and breaking lower here, you enter short. Everything is too clear. But if you enter from down here, let me show you. You enter from down here, from that level here, when the break happening here, over here you need to protect yourself. To start taking off some profit now. Yes or no? Not to take all the profit, just protect yourself. And you waiting. If it's going to break here, that level I just show you here, that one here, if it came and breaking above, there is no break close all the profit. You still going up. And I think the Bitcoin after we breaking that 26k, we are going to 30k. Also we are now at 26,500. We are going to 30k, guy. Yes, in the 4 hours the Bitcoin it give us a smaller divergence here. You need to be focused about that one, and that one we're going to analyze it for you in the daily candle. Finish it. Everything is too clear here. It's our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator as you see it, is it here at the overbought area? Should you enter short? I just show you everything now. I told you got here a uptrend like that and here in the top like that, and you wait in the break what is going to happen, if it's breaking above or it's breaking down. That where you should enter long or short. Everything is too clear, guys, here. That's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. See you after the daily candle. Finish it, guys. Bye for now.